Thank you for visiting my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. This is called the Suzette Stitch. It's a pretty stitch, solid work. It's the same on the front as it is on the back, completely reversible. For this stitch, you will require a starting chain that has an odd number to it. I'm going to chain 17 stitches. And we're only going to work in the back humps. Let's get right in to row 1. So please make your chain so that we can start. You will work 1 single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2, put my 1 single crochet into that stitch. Then you're going to work 1 double crochet into the exact same chain stitch where you have your single crochet. You will skip 1 chain. In the next stitch, you will make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet. So skip 1, and in the next stitch make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet. Skip 1. In the next stitch, the exact same thing. 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet in the same chain. Skip 1 in the next chain, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet. You will continue that until you come to the end of your work. Let's continue with it. So you are basically repeating this. 1 single crochet. Oops, my wool is pulling. 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet in the chain, skip 1 chain in the next one, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, skip 1 in the next chain, the exact same thing, please. 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet. Right, you will see you're going to do the next stitch. So skip 1, go into the second to last chain, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet. In your last chain, make 1 single crochet, chain 1, and turn your work, because the stitch is worked in a row. So this is row 1. That's the back. So we chained 1 and we're turning. Row 2. 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet into the first stitch, which was your last stitch. 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet into the very first stitch. Skip the 1 double crochet. In the following stitch, which is your single crochet, work 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet. Skip 1 stitch. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet. Continue that until you get to the end of your row. Remember, this is a repeat, so you're going to keep on repeating row 1 until you have the desired length that you require for your project. Skip 1, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, skip 1 in the next stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet. In your last one, skip one in the very last stitch, which is this one here on the corner. Make your single crochet, chain 1 and turn your work, and go right back into it. 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and you continue to repeat row 1 until you are satisfied. Thank you so much. Do enjoy the rest of your day. This is the Queen Phoenix out.